What's up, marketers? Today I am bringing you a powerful strategy that can completely transform your ads game. In this video, I will walk you through how to scale and transition from BM1 to BM5 step by step. I am going to break down the entire process in a clear and transparent way so you can fully understand how it works and apply it effectively to your own setup. Make sure you watch until the end because this strategy can significantly improve the way you manage and scale your ads account. Let's get started with our intro. So first of all, this process is only work with 250 limit and no limit business manager. So I mentioned it clearly that if you are using $50 limit business manager, then it will never work with that. So here I am using a BM1 with $250 limit. As you can see, the ad account slot limit is only one. Now this is very important. If you are using a BM1 or BM0 with meat or any restricted setup, this method will never work. So before you even think about try this strategy, make sure you have the right types of business manager. Many people ask me, can I try with this a $350 limit? My answer is very clear. No, it will never work. This method only work with a $250 limit business manager or with a no limit business manager. Now we go to the Instagram account section inside your business manager to transfer BM1 to BM5. We need Instagram accounts connected to this business manager. So first open Instagram and log in using the account details you want to use with this business manager. Then connect your first Instagram account to the business manager. Some people may ask why we need to do this. Honestly, there is no deep explanation here. This is a part of a strategy. Just follow the exact same step in your setup if you want to move your BM1 toward BM5. After connecting the first account, copy the details of your second Instagram account and log in. Then connect it to the same business manager. Repeated this process again and again. You should connect at least 5 to 10 Instagram account to this business manager. Once you do that, you will start to see the real magic. Just make sure you follow each step carefully and don't skip anything. This is the last Instagram account we are connecting to this business manager. Now that all Instagram accounts are connected, now we will go to the business information section to check the result and let's see what happened. If everything was done correctly, you should be able to see the changes there. I hope it worked. Now let's check the outcome together. Now I am going to refresh the page. As you can see, after reloading, our BM1 has successfully turned into BM5. Now I am going to the ad accounts section to create some ad accounts. So I click on the create button and I give a name and create our first ad account. So as you can see, it's created smoothly like a butter. So I try to create our next ad account and I do the same process again and again until I have created all 5 ad accounts. Finally, we have successfully created all 5 ad accounts in this business manager. So you can follow the exact same step to create your own. After you complete the entire process, you can remove all those Instagram accounts one by one from the business manager. Just make sure everything is set up properly before removing them. Also, if you want to buy BM1, BM3, BM5, Balloon BM or verified business manager, then contact me on Telegram or join our Telegram channel.